My name is Richard Cagle, and I'm the owner of Roof Rejuvenate Upstate. I chose to go into roof rejuvenation because my mom got sick a few years ago, and we knew we had to sell her home, and I didn't have the money to put a new roof on it. So my brother-in-law is a roofer, and he was doing roof rejuvenation, and that's when he offered that for my mom's roof. I saw how amazing it worked, and it gave us a great option and helped us to sell my mom's home. One of the reasons I love this industry, I wanted to help my mom's roof. When someone's willing to share it with their family members and actually bless people that way, they truly believe in what they're doing.